is rising with the morning sun. A new page opens and a new line has begun, with words that moments ago were just a thought, for me to remember the past and the roads I've walked. My life's hallway is filled with pictures on the wall. A door swings wide open, letting light pass through it all, shining on the roads I've traveled, on the memories I'll leave, a trace of who I am, a story to believe. My success is a circles I've drawn. My failures are the lines etched into my soul, into my soul, leaving their marks, teaching me what I've learned. Here from below, I lift my eyes above to see what's still missing, still searching for love. In the next unwritten line, with words yet to be found, because time will never stop. It keeps spinning around, making peace with the past that's not here anymore. Having fulfilled its purpose, brought me to this shore. Into the future, I'm moving toward the light, as the evening falls and fades into the night. My success is a circles I've drawn. My failures are the lines etched into my soul. What I've learned. Circle.